Hi dear friend, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about UK motorbike insurance. You have shopped around and found your dream motorbike. Now you need to do the same for your motorbike insurance in the same way as car insurance. Motorbikes covers is essential to provide cover in case you are involved in an accident or cause injury or harm of third parties or property. It is a legal requirement for motorcyclists to hold at the very least a third party insurance policy before they can drive on the public holidays. Comprehensive insurance provides total cover including the cost of damage to your own bike. If you get a collision, third party fire and theft cover is another option. Motorcycle this policy covers the cost of repairs to another vehicle or for replacement of the bike in case it is damaged in a fire or is stolen. There are two categories of motorcycle insurance. A specified rider policy provides cover for the person who rides the bike, not the bike itself. Therefore, it does not matter which bike the person is riding, they will be covered in respective of size of power. A specified bike police insurance, a specific of size a power, a specified bike police insurance, a specific bike, and no the rider as such. It provides automatic insurance for anyone else who rides the bike. Why do I need to take a motorbike insurance? It's against the law to drive a motorbike. Without talking about the last basic third party insurance, however, unlike car insurance, finding motor recovery is no easy task. It is a hard reality that bike owners account for a large amount of accidents on the UK roads. Motorbikes are also more likely to be stolen and account for more thefts. Taking out a full comprehensive cover may seem like an extra expense, but if you are more a motorbike fanatic who loves their bike, you may like the peace of mind of knowing should the worst happen, it can be repaired or replaced. Drawbacks: don't be tempted to cancel your motorbike insurance during the winter months when you don't use it, even if it is stored in a secure garage. It can still be stolen, and if you stopped your policy, you cannot make a valid claim. Taking out motorbike insurance is no easy task. Providers have a list of classifications groups as long as they are armed. For example, they look at the rider's claim history, the cost and power of a bike, age, location, and their annual mileage and job reason for using the bike, security measures, and whether the rider has taken an advanced instruction course. Insurer will hike up premium for young people and those living in crime or accidental hotspots. Searching for the right deal can be a time-consuming process, but with a majority of providers are now posted online with tools that make it easy to find the right policy. No claims discount. Building up a no claims bonus is a good way to reduce your premium. Discounts typically grow each year to a maximum level set by your provider. It can sometimes take up to 9 years to build up the maximum no claims discount, which may or may not include a protection of your discount against claims of a certain nature. The discount will always be affected once a claim is made unless your insurance company can recover its costs from another party. As a rule of thumb, without no claims bonus protection, this discount is usually reduced by 2 steps after a claim or to reduce your premiums. Similar to car insurance, the longer you go without making a claim on your policy, the cheaper your premiums becomes. It's worth bearing in mind should you don't need to make a claim, you could be penalized for as much as 5 years. It may be worth asking a broker to see how much your insurance will be for next year with a claim versus not claiming. Voluntary excess bike insurance includes an excess. An excess is the first sum you must pay when you make a claim on your insurance policy. Adding a voluntary excess is one way to save significant money. Security is worth splashing out of a quality look and arm combination. According to statistics, around 80% of bikes are stolen from the back of a van, making most alarms useless as high-quality lock secure to an immobile object as a good deterrent. Shop around. It's worth putting the same time and enthusiasm to find insurance.